This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35C is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Thor Motor Coach is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 7, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, rear bath. This 2016 Thor Motor Coach Windsport 35C is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.